So you just got your water test kit in the mail. What now? Inside, you will find the Learn card with the return shipping label. Set both aside. Carefully take out the collection cup. Don't touch the base of the blue bottom. Underneath the cup, you will find gloves. Set the box aside for return shipping. Slip the gloves on before testing to prevent contamination. Whatever you do, don't touch the disc inside the cup. Decide what water you'd like to test. We're demonstrating with water from the kitchen tap. If you're using tap water, let the water run for 2 minutes before filling up the cup. First, take off the lid. Then, holding the sides of the blue bottom, let the water fill up to the top of the cup. Let the water gently stream in. High water pressure can potentially dislodge the disc. Cover the cup with the lid. The straining process takes about 20 minutes or longer for water sources with large amounts of sediment. You can set the cup aside while the water runs through the Dexorb disc. If the water stops draining at any point, please mark the level at which it stopped draining with a Sharpie. It's important that the mark can be visible to our chemists. You can dump the remaining water. Now, complete the Learn card with information about your sample, the type of water sampled, whether it was filtered, sample location, and so on. Once you are finished, place the cup back into the box. Lower the green divider and insert the Learn card on top. Close the box, seal it up well, and stick the UPS or USPS return label on top. You can recycle your gloves at this point. Take your kit to the nearest UPS or USPS location and ship it back to Cyclopure. Once we receive your kit at our Evanston lab, we will send you an email confirming receipt. Your results will be ready in 10 to 14 business days. Thanks for trusting Cyclopure to help test your water.